You know right, assassinate. Airport and my moja nanu shegu edigu on my
Memo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Nigel Gazy ene Kennedy Japan sensemo a ekoso no. Onse Nigel Gazy be kasa se wono de bia wo Kennedy Japan dia. Na ohwe Angola eye Kennedy Japan ne communicators and an danfofo sisia no wo de asem no efa it's quite interesting. Onim say yen so de ba sa na ye behwem na ya moamuni na mo atiase. Listen, eya na asem ba kwa meka wa Ghana ne say we major in the minors and we minor in the majors. Meka sa de me pese metrase ne say so obi ba abonten be ka asem a nipa ko na ka no de ehu hia se ye behwe sa side no ye nhwe enchenchen na eni kwan se ya asem no sa enchenchen ne ye behwe na ye ma enumu aba bedane asem Ghana for yesuban no utie Nigel Gazy ensem a wo ba abonten be kan ye na wo hwe the communicators of Kennedy Japan no mo bank in Japan wo mo kasa na utumi hu ne say asem wo mo kan say one it's either they will blame Kofi Adoma wanwani and as a woman blame Kofi Adoma wanwani a wo mo hear the side of Nigel Gazy baby a wo ball Bishop Adontin Boateng ene Christiana Love di no wo mo hwe sa side no mo dey counter Nigel Gazy. But
Melodies TV on YouTube.
The real issue, and it's a Nigel Gazy was saying, say Kennedy Japan, someone will come find a huni na a yentro. Kennedy Japan, any evidence bia. Na kami expect say, womo support Kennedy Japan no. Womo be ba bonti aba be kan say, ye wo evidence, de Kennedy Japan kan ye yenekre na ensem no any. But sisi ahe, baby a womo nina de ensem na ifa. Womo bo over the bar. The pakro say in track Kennedy Japan twa ye eto ne so no e ma ne ma me benya stroke e ka ketwa na nka ne ma me wu because wo hwe se ne ya sen ne ba ne din a ne ma me adwen ma na nka ne ma me wu. They are not thinking of that. Is it not a fact? Have we not on countless occasions proven on this channel say Kennedy Japan sem ne bia ya wo ka fa nkrofo ho no eyentro na nkrofo eba betwa wono na wono nso epegya. Is it not a fact? Is it not a fact? Ye ni ha ena Tracy Boache beka say nanka Kennedy Japan amfa saa de na anye na nanka wono nso de bia asem bia Kennedy Japan beka bia no believe. Nanso Kennedy Japan de be ye no say Mahama to dan $450,000 ene de no Kennedy Japan de ye no ka say hey anti papi say no kan sem fa nkrofo ho say ye ntro because of the year me na me hu say ye ntro. Later Kennedy Japan asem obeka ne say e ya agro keke na woni Tracy Boache edi. On countless occasions on this channel we've proven in semia Kennedy Japan beka later ne ya ba be hu ne say sa asem no enya ne kre in semia wo kan fa nkrofo ho. And I don't want to go back to that because it has been a year or 2 years long fighter ye ne Kennedy Japan nkrofo akun e wo channel we so enya asem ketwa. So that the Fred interview Adontin Boateng because emra Nigel Gazy kasa no okasa say ende de Kennedy Japan yare ye no ono Nigel Gazy nanfofo a eye Adontin Boateng ene friend saying Christiana Love mo and I will make a comment say some of them call ono Nigel Gazy no mu bisa no and Nigel Gazy mo go ahead. Enti sisia no the angle ene say wo mu bisa Adontin Boateng say eye ne kre so wokobo mpaye ema Kennedy Japan no ofre Nigel Gazy ebisa for clearance ana and Adontin Boateng ka se dabi o say Nigel Gazy kra no won sheda anya na down for class but we share ne da just once bon sheda anya na down for sa. It is true in some wa mo ka no yes ebetumi abasa Nigel Gazy de wo ka no is an exaggeration. Adontin Boateng ebia no one friend Nigel Gazy kra na bibi but a exaggeration and Nigel Gazy wo then wo exaggerate and on his part no ono so anyade. But let's look at the meat of the issue. Yengo tie Adontin Boateng semo awode etuja
Adoma yo na Virginia kosen Snoopy to ato anya zenke ta o maso a shibia.
Easy. Now no yes na me show ni nyina na wani abre pa te na baby abeda kra na aye den ho isi snow na ya ha adwene pa.
Ah ma bibia ye basa wa hasa.
Yo. Now I'm sorry to say.
Oh yes wadum ye be convention Sunday in a very powerful convention with Obapa Christie and Nyame shen wenu mo nyampa.
The radiasi.
Bibia ye okay.
Yo, Bishop na Ghana asopofo no uninimbi.
Alright, answer na make us on. Me say of Penny Duncan Williams me de enchia kese pa ma no. Any asofo bebre asofo Archbishop Bishop Boys Yakono de Ohio na
Melodies TV on YouTube.
My software penny for more support me America ha. And CNN, Mr. CNN, Michiana Pai, but then Shana, Papa Kesibu America ha. He's doing so well for Ghanaians. Papa Link, Abraham Lincoln, which baby Obi Ame Salutuno pa. Naturally me a Ghanaian inti minim Ghana so for no kakra. The only thing is a matter over 20 years. Mako Ghana be 4 times per inti ase minim kakra ba men se nim bebre sa.
Na tunim kakra kama.
Yeah.
Tunim na gegezi.
Minim no social media but onyo obi a meka se minim ne se minim no. Dada Fred obi bisa me se minim a meka se minim but Sebi onyama yeah we don't communicate as on the friendly level you know minimum said that afraid but enkomoni entamosa
oya wadamfo
one say me fair so for obi bi oye nyame adwuma bia no we are one body but onye obi ameka say oye madam for say meka say enema bro o ka say kum chacha ye madam for meka say yampa because ye kasa ye rough ye dia grunt down for but me hu na jageze wo social media but me ni Ghana Antonio Obia se bi mpredi asameka se me ne edi nkomo bia na se me ne kasa even though no so na djuma me sum ye media wa America
na onim ne number
there be the number de minim ne number
what friend da ana obi a friend na man na kasa da
me call Ghana be around be October ko ya do ye wo Ghana me call my kunafo aduane egiye na me call e na ebra asofo no enemy number no osofo baako that is in October na catch me say me hold on na obi chia me and all the phone to amasme na o say Niger Gates na me chia na say papa it saying and also me na me show me 5 days from we am call but after no me ne nkasa biom yen communicate on any level biom papa then I will be sasa
there be sasa ne say me bebo audio be 1 second pe na mabusa osa question no na I very important but it tawasona tie sa audio ya me bosisi e na fe hwese bia wo mu enchiremu bi edemaya nka ebeye de pa na audio ne ye very simple.
All my friends, I don't tell them, Bishop, I don't tell them to pay for you.
Melodies TV on YouTube.
When you are sick, you call my friends. I don't tell them, Bishop, I don't tell them to pay for you. You call him and say the rest to pay for you.
All right. Or refer to Najegesi now say or Kasano.
Oh,
or
okay.
refer to Canada, Japan. And or say Canada, Japan, maybe another home fan no. According to Najegesi, Canada, Japan friends, yeah, or say wo. And then or him mess say more empire mano. Na no kubisa.
Me da sinyame shiraw. Usually me also for one chance yes in common way and come woody but just for clarity in tina me no be this and common way. Kennedy Japan you'll be me and Kasa personally be penasem. Sorry me driving to so say me distracted. It is because of my driving. I'm trying to keep my eyes on the street. Canada Japan you be because of his philanthropic adwuma wo ye ntimi pena sempa me kire sa de me kire nsem no masofudie no I stand clean with politics say me invite for NDC or MPP me bompa yes Ghana benya asomdwe na Ghana economy bekoso but Canada Japan adwuma pa o ya wo boa ehiafo ade atia ohiani bi beka say when it has was a Canada Japan be man aduane die amana tade ahye nti oyobi a me pena sempa me I love him for that. Apart from that, you know, me tikromanti meaning too much about him, but I follow the philanthropic work he does. And see, Ebras one day be mini seeing and a Kasano catch me so about Canada Japan home. Na Canada Japan, me say, Okoye said you Kakasena last no kawo. Me te so no I mu one of the radio stations wo ni Krumo. Enti me yes any the way na see na kan me ne be kan bom ne akobom payama no man ti ohima mercy nka wo story ni
am say open camera no do nti
oh sorry me driving sorry say and am say ama many my tefu bi za
ayekese pa say they are very clear pa say they come up
okay let me stand here and talk okay nti no CNN you agree say na ye dia meaning the cabo mako bomb payamani because already like I said, or you'll be a vibe for him because of a juma power yebwa and yafunti. What did I mention? I said, ain't on a particular Friday, you know, if I didn't come in Tiapo crowd, but now was sending my wife and one of my administrator, you're driving from Virginia, which is 5 hours. Ekwa kokoshe Canada Japan fie wo New Jersey kobo mpayama no na yakobo mpayama no sebi o me no mene osofo Gazy enkasaye ena me ankasa nso no madwuma me ye na apart from asofodi obi anim se me ye no me say security officer wa ha me ntimi nkireche mu bebre but nipa bebre ni me ntimi ye me a professional in my attitude, me a professional in my talk, my step, my ways. You know, and you'll be a many of you could do come say, me kobom payama, Canada Japan, like it is said. I guess away better.
Yeah.
All right. And to me, you'll be a 7 million you could do commenting. I really don't know. Senia.
Yo, yeah, Gazy say, Canada Japan, my friend say, Moko Bompaye, I'm a Canada Japan.
Some my children say, some friend, no, you me free one. One first of all, me also for me, I salute your platform, but me also for Cassie, I mean, throw be America, huh? Baby, you know, with all respect to Naija Gazy ministry, you know, you be a make through, be semi bomb payama Canada Japan. Say me papa krati I mean yes sir, because I have to be very discreet, very respectful to all manners of people. Not just Ghanaians, but everybody the Lord opportunity say. A great opportunity, mommy say many Canada Japan be show. Na ma bomb paya manu intino in some son young come up on team, but what did I mention? I say. And that is all that I will say. Me I feel say
no a person establishing and said once keep permission and free Naija Gazy or around the person who say why say ubesiki permission every no say okobompaya mobi why seek permission be every
papa say medical can't say be onyo obi a sebi oye madam for amene ni di chocho mucho nkomo ameka say me koye say na me so America ma betena 20 years abroche uti e bi utena cha sebi o usua ni ama bebre you understand what I mean and na me so no me ministry amiti mo no sebi me show bi ase America nyame ache me platform kesi America nyame ama me platform kesi I don't compromise with it say Meka say me ko affiliate. I don't have affiliations. I do my own thing in the United States of America, and I'm very proud of what I do. You know, and man say me ko seek permission, but minim ebi I will be na yes adia but. I say young kind of grandson say bibi ansu be here public. There were videos, there were pictures. It might just be say bibi sa but. Papa, I'm a professional person and I don't gamble.
Let me clarify how you kakra. It might just be said Bibisa and I say
oh, I think sir, me kind of clear. I have been very emphatic and very clear. I really wish he said the Amakano Shebi Ubiabe Fano at that level say me one me kasasa me nyansa mudu kakra too. Ena onye obi a sebe meka se oye madam fo ameko ke bibi sa che na akodi nkomo sa akọji permission sa oye na adwuma me so meti America e madwuma me bu na adwuma oye no me nko order me so ma me hada ena ye ntai ni nkomo sa enti whatever you're saying me nim ho hwe maybe I should say that
was same way in particular hono na it implies say the whole kind the analysis no na the ekoso a na say the meme me akane say one no ending komo bia fa bibisa na adentina nipa bibire wo wiase na nko a udi na obo se na damfo ne wo na bibise
oh na say papa video beto abonten a menenes mini Canada Japan sere and I must confess also say when I went to Canada Japan he showed me utmost respect I must confess